After the heartbreaking failure of the Cabinet Mission Plan in 1946, Jinnah was filled with deep concern. He feared that if the British left India without dividing it, Congress would never give a separate state to Muslims. Realizing that time was running out, Jinnah believed that Muslims must act swiftly to put pressure on the British and demand the division of India before it was too late. To show the unity, strength, and deep emotions of Muslims for Pakistan, Jinnah called for a direct action day. It was a day meant to peacefully demonstrate Muslim determination for a separate homeland. Across India, Muslim League organized rallies and gatherings filled with people holding banners and chanting slogans for Pakistan. In most places, these gatherings remained peaceful, showing the resolve and discipline of the Muslim community. But in Calcutta, things took a dark and tragic turn. Communal riots broke out, and in just a few days, over 4,000 people lost their lives. The streets of Calcutta were filled with chaos, fear, and sorrow. The British government had to impose a strict curfew to control the violence. The scale of destruction was so horrifying it shook everyone to the core. It became painfully clear that Hindus and Muslims could no longer live together peacefully. Even Congress, watching the bloodshed and devastation, realized that partition might be the only solution left to avoid even greater tragedy. Thus, from the ashes of Direct Action Day, the path to partition was set, and the creation of Pakistan became inevitable.